Hibiscus syriacus information. Hibiscus syriacus, also known as Rose of Sharon or Syrian hibiscus, is a deciduous shrub that belongs to the family Malvaceae. Here are some key pieces of information about this plant. Appearance: Hibiscus syriacus typically grows to a height of 8 to 12 feet, 2.4 to 3.7 meters, and has a spread of 4 to 10 feet, 1.2 to 3 meters. It has green, lobed leaves that are about 2 to 4 inches, 5 to 10 centimeters, long. The plant produces large, showy flowers that can be white, pink, red, purple, or blue and have a diameter of 3 to 5 inches, 7.6 to 12.7 centimeters. Native range: Hibiscus syriacus is native to Asia, specifically China and India, but is widely cultivated in other parts of the world. Growing conditions: this plant is hardy to USDA zones 5 to 9 and prefers full sun to partial shade. It grows best in well-drained soil with average moisture. It is relatively tolerant of drought, heat, and humidity. Uses: Hibiscus syriacus is often grown as an ornamental plant in gardens and landscapes. It can be used as a specimen plant or in a mixed border. The flowers are attractive to butterflies and hummingbirds. In some cultures, the flowers are used to make tea or are used in traditional medicine to treat various ailments. Maintenance: this plant is relatively low maintenance and requires little pruning. It may benefit from occasional fertilization and mulching. Pests and diseases: Hibiscus syriacus is generally resistant to pests and diseases but may be susceptible to leaf spot, rust, and aphids in certain conditions.